Ever wondered how some products just explode on TikTok, racking up millions of views and selling out in minutes? What's their secret? And more importantly, how can you harness that power for your Spocket products? If you're looking to turn your dropshipping dreams into a TikTok reality, you're in the right place. We're not just talking about getting a few likes. We're talking about crafting viral content that drives massive sales for your Spocket store. TikTok isn't just a platform for dancing teens anymore. It's a goldmine for e-commerce, a place where a single 15-second video can launch a product from obscurity to global sensation. And with Spocket's incredible range of high-quality products, you're already halfway there. You've got the goods, now let's get you the views. Today, we're diving deep into the art and science of creating viral TikToks specifically tailored for Spocket products. We'll uncover the strategies that make products irresistible, the editing techniques that grab attention, and the trends you absolutely need to leverage. Forget generic marketing advice. This is about actionable, TikTok-specific tactics that will help your Spocket products fly off the virtual shelves. So, let's break down the viral formula. It starts with understanding the TikTok algorithm and, more importantly, understanding the TikTok audience. This isn't YouTube, it's not Instagram, and it's certainly not Facebook. TikTok thrives on authenticity, quick cuts, relatable humor, and genuine problem-solving. Your Spocket product isn't just a product. It's a solution, a lifestyle upgrade, or a source of pure joy. Your job is to convey that in the most compelling, short-form video possible. The first key is product selection. Not every Spocket product is destined for viral fame, but many are. Look for items that are visually appealing, solve a common problem, offer a wow factor, or are inherently shareable. Think about products that can be easily demonstrated, have a clear before and after, or lend themselves to creative storytelling. For instance, a clever kitchen gadget, a unique home decor item, a pet accessory that elicits an emotional response, or a beauty product with visible results. When you browse Spocket, ask yourself, how can I make this look amazing in 15 to 30 seconds? Once you've got your star product, it's all about the hook. The first 1 to 3 seconds are everything on TikTok. You need to stop the scroll. This could be a dramatic reveal, a surprising sound, a relatable statement, or a quick question. For example, instead of just showing a product, start with tired of common problem, and then introduce your Spocket solution. Or begin with a quick shot of the product in action, generating immediate curiosity. Think about what would make you pause if you were endlessly scrolling through your For You page. Next, demonstration is crucial. Show, don't just tell. If it's a kitchen gadget, show it effortlessly performing its function. If it's a beauty product, show the application and the immediate result. If it's a unique home decor item, show it integrated into a beautiful space. The more visually engaging and clear your demonstration, the better. Use quick cuts, close-ups, and a variety of angles to keep it dynamic. Remember, TikTok is highly visual. Now let's talk about trends and sounds. This is where TikTok truly shines. The platform is built on trends, specific sounds, dances, challenges, or editing styles that sweep across the app. Tapping into these trends is your express ticket to virality. Pay close attention to what's trending on your For You page. Is there a popular sound that would perfectly complement your Spocket product? Can you adapt a trending challenge to showcase its features? For example, if there's a trend about things that just make sense, you could feature a Spocket product that perfectly fits that description. Using trending sounds is particularly powerful because it pushes your video to more users who are already engaging with that sound. Storytelling and relatability are also key. Your TikTok shouldn't just be an advertisement. It should be a miniature story. What problem does your Spocket product solve? What transformation does it offer? How does it make life easier, better, or more fun? People connect with stories, not just features. Use captions and on-screen text to further enhance your narrative. A simple example. Instead of, buy our new cleaner, try my messy kitchen nightmare is finally over thanks to this. And then reveal your amazing Spocket cleaning product. And speaking of text, captions and hashtags are vital for discoverability. Your caption should be concise, engaging, and include a clear call to action. Use relevant keywords and, crucially, a mix of broad and niche hashtags. Research popular product-related hashtags, but also include trending hashtags and those specific to your niche. Don't forget the call to action. Link in bio to get yours. Shop now, or you need this, are essential. Editing is your secret weapon. TikTok videos are fast-paced and energetic. Use quick cuts, jump cuts, and transitions to maintain viewer interest. The in-app editing tools are surprisingly powerful, but you can also use external apps like CapCut for more advanced effects. Experiment with text overlays, emojis, and visual effects to make your videos pop. Keep it concise. Aim for 15 to 30 seconds, though some viral videos can go longer if the content is captivating enough. Finally, consistency and engagement are the long game. Don't expect your first video to go viral. Post consistently, experiment with different product showcases and video styles, and analyze your analytics. What types of videos are performing best? What sounds are resonating? And just as importantly, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and build a community around your brand. The more you interact, the more the algorithm favors your content. Run contests, ask questions in your captions, and encourage users to share their own experiences with your Spocket products. Remember, the goal isn't just views, it's conversions. Every viral TikTok should have a clear path for viewers to purchase your Spocket product. Your link in bio is paramount. Make it easy, make it obvious, and make it compelling. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.